just have it longer. So.
Read.
Happy Father's Day, Papa. I love you. I really love
Yeah.
you, Papa. Sino naman dapat dinagyan mo from?
Ayun no.
Carlin.
Hmm.
Kiss.
Kiss na. How about Katie? What will you say to Papa?
It's Father's Day.
Oh,
Bye-bye.
go. Kiss your Papa. Hmm.
Happy Father's Day, Papa. I hope you like my card. I worked so hard for it, even for Mommy's help. And again, Happy Father's Day, Papa.
Love
I
you.
hope you enjoy your day, and I love you. Bye.